So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to round the corners of an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to obviously add an image or a photo to your design. So for this demonstration, I'll press on elements right here. I'll use the ocean, my apologies, which I have used as a previous example right here. So I'll just use the ocean right here. This one right here of a wave. Now, if you want to round the corners, so by default, the corners are just normal. If you want it to round the corners, it's very straightforward. Press on the image right here. And right beside the border style, there's kind of this option right here that says corner rounding. Press on that. Now, by default, if you want to make it a perfect square or a rectangle, leave it as is at 0. But if you want to make the corners a little bit more round, you can kind of slide this bar. And if you see what's happening right here, the corners are actually rounding quite a bit, right? If you obviously make it 100, the corners will be completely rounded just like that. If you want to change it back, you can sort of make it back like this. You can also just type in a number right here if you want, whatever number you want, 57 for instance, press on that. And there you go. The corners are now rounded. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to round the corners of an image, or I guess around an image here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.